You have been told your entire life that walking is the ultimate risk-free exercise for aging. But what if the way you are walking right now is secretly wearing down your joints, aging your spine, and actually increasing your risk of falls? Today, we're investigating the hidden dangers hiding in your daily stroll. Walking should be your fountain of youth, not a fast track to knee replacement. Welcome to Wellness Wealth, where we uncover the hidden truths behind healthy aging. Stick around because by the end of this video, I am going to reveal a strange 10-second walking reset trick that instantly fixes your posture and protects your spine. The zombie shuffle. Imagine your joints are like metal door hinges. If you don't use their full range of motion, they rust. Barely lifting your feet and shuffling shuts down your hip muscles and invites tripping. You have to actively pick up your feet to keep those hinges oiled. The bowling ball lean. Your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds, roughly the weight of a bowling ball. When you constantly look down at the ground or your phone while walking, you force your lower back to hold up that heavy ball at a dangerous, stressful angle. Overstriding. Reaching too far forward with your front foot is a massive mistake. It acts exactly like slamming the brakes in a moving car. Every long step sends a violent shockwave straight up your heel and directly into your knees. Dead arms. Your body moves in an X pattern, meaning your left arm balances your right leg. If your arms just hang dead at your sides, your lower spine is forced to absorb all the twisting stress of your movement. 5. Flat-footed slapping. Walking should mimic the smooth motion of a rocking chair, rolling gently from your heel to your toe. Slapping your whole foot down at once destroys the natural shock absorbers in your arches, leading to plantar fasciitis. 6. The unlocked core. Think of your core muscles as a built-in internal corset that protects your spine. Walking with your stomach completely relaxed leaves your fragile lower back exposed to impact. 5. The concrete trap. Walking the exact same flat paved route every day is like feeding your brain only bread and water. Your inner ear balance systems need the challenge of uneven terrain, like grass or gentle dirt trails, to stay sharp and prevent future falls. The Wellness Wealth Prescription. Let us fix this right now. Here is your immediate action plan. First, switch out your walking shoes every 300 to 500 miles, as dead foam ruins your joints. Second, take shorter, slightly quicker steps rather than long lunges. Finally, here is your 10-second reset. Before you step out the door, roll your shoulders back, pull your belly button slightly inward, and look 20 feet ahead, not at your shoes. Invest in your greatest asset, your health. Subscribe to Wellness Wealth right now so you never miss a clue in our ongoing health investigations. Keep walking wisely, and I will see you in the next video.